Longing to have something delicious and healthy? Your search or quest stops here with the Shawarma Licious spread. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch videos. How are you all doing? Hope you're all keeping well, right? Flashing beautiful smiles on your pretty faces. I render heartfelt thanks to all the subscribers who are watching my channel videos and giving their valuable feedbacks. Thank you so much. This video is for all the meat lovers out there. This is chicken spread, shawarma, offered by Licious. You often see ads of Licious spreads on social media nowadays, right? You have got 25 varieties of this Licious spreads. You will find it in the Licious online store. You can order one. You have at 29 rupees, 39 rupees. And what are the ingredients that goes into it are very healthy, and there are no preservatives added. 1 month expiry date is given before which you've got to use the chunky shawarma chicken. Licious spread is the most delicious of all the spreads I have tasted on Licious. This can be used as a dip sauce and spread. You can have it with dosa, with sandwiches and salad. You can go for omelette stuffings and taco fillings also. Sometimes if you want to stay fit and healthy, many ingredients would go into the recipe and it's time consuming to make it. But here this is an instant food, healthy and a tummy filler. You can have one when you're getting hungry. You can use it as a dip for nachos. And you need not worry of the ingredients that are used in this because they're healthy. And it boils down to milk products, soya and celery. It's a healthy protein. Thanks for the makers. Try it once and give your feedback in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. And don't forget to subscribe, please.